Dear students, we are in MSET Mathematics and we are in the chapter of Properties of Triangle. Okay. In this class, we are going to finish 4 questions from question number 25 to 28. Okay. Let us see. This question is asked in MSET 2017. The sides of a triangle ABC are in the ratio 1:3:2. What are sides? Small a, small b, small c are sides. Well, triangle means 3 sides. What are the angles? Ratio. That means the ratio of angles like there are. That means capital A is to capital B is to capital C. Let us see. Why? Because see, normally we know A by sin A, B by sin B, C by sin C is equal to 2R. That formula if you apply, then we are going to get this ratio. Let us apply that formula. Okay. See, shall I write like this? A is to B is to C is equal to 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay? Shall I write A as 2R sin A? 2R sin A is to 2R sin B is to 2R sin C is equal to 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Why? Because see, A by sin A is equal to 2R, B by sin B is equal to 2R, C by sin C is equal to 2R. Okay, now see, after writing, I can take common and cancel. Okay, that is also there. That means, see, now we can say sin A is to sin B is to sin C is equal to 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay. Now see, shall I divide this with 1 by 2? Sorry, divide it with 2. Why? Because see, I want to get sine angles. See, root 3 is not there in sine. That we know. That is why what I am going to do, I am going to divide with 2. If I divide 2, that means if you want to divide with 2, you have to divide with all these 3. Okay. See how I am doing. Implies I am keeping 1 by 2 is to root 3 by 2 is to 2 by 2. Okay? Okay, see, 1 by 2 means what? A. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. 30 degree. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. What about 2, 3 by 2? 60 degree. 30 degree is to 60 degree is to 2 by 2, 90 degree. Why? Sin 90 is 1. Okay? Now you divide with 30 degree all. That means 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay? Or 30 degree you take common and cancel. You have taken common like that. Then 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay? Answer is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Let us go for next question. See, question number 26. This is asked in MSET 2019. A good question. Even though it takes time to finish this, but this is a good question. Observe carefully. In a triangle ABC, if B plus C by 9 is equal to C plus A by 10 is equal to A plus B by 11, then what is the value of cos A plus cos B by cos C? Okay. See, unless you know the ABC values, you are not going to find this cos A, cos B, cos C values. Okay. How you are going to find ABC values then? Yes. There is a way. Why? Because see, here you can equate it to some constant. Why? Because all are equal like that. Then that equate it to constant. You see what I am writing? B plus C by 9 is equal to C plus A by 10 is equal to A plus B by 11 is equal to K. Let K I have taken. Then what will be B plus C? B plus C is equal to 9K. A plus C is equal to 10K. A plus B is equal to 11K. Okay? Now I want to add all. See, I want to add all. That means A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. You see what I am writing? A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A is equal to 11K, 9K, 10K. 9K plus 10K plus 11K. See, R are 2 times, so 2A, 2B, 2C. Then I am taking common. 2 of A plus B plus C is equal to 19 plus 11. Or else 20 plus 10, 30k. Okay? If at all a plus b plus c, then a plus b plus c will be 15k. Box seated. Okay? A plus b plus c will be 15k. What is a plus b plus c? 2s. We know a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to s means a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. That we will take afterwards when required. But now we are going to find a plus b plus c values here. How we are going to find? You observe carefully. Well, because see, a plus b plus c is 15k, but a plus b 11k. That means you see what I am writing. A plus b plus c is equal to 11k plus c. That is equal to 15k. Or else c will be 4k. Okay. You box it there. How much you have got? C 4k. Then you see b plus c 9k. That means see a plus b plus c. B plus value is 9k. 9k is equal to 15k or else a is equal to 6k. 15 minus 9. Okay. Okay. Now go for a plus c also. A plus c means b you require. B plus a plus c. A plus c means 10k. 10k is equal to 15k. This implies b is equal to 5k. That means you see in terms of k you have got all three values. So a, b, c. 6, 5, 4. Okay. Now see in terms of k you are having, but without that you don't have. But even though, can you find cos a? Definitely we can find. Why? Because see, k you can take common. Okay, k you can take common. See how I am writing. First I will find cos a. Cos a formula I am writing. Cos a means you see b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay, that is equal to b square means what? 25k square plus c square means what? 16k square minus a square means 36k square divided by 2bc. See 2 into b into c, 5 into 4, 20 into k into k square. See, I can cancel k square. You think I have taken common k square, okay? Then see 25 plus 16, 41. 41 minus 36 by 40. Okay? See 11 minus 6, 5. That's all. 5 by 40. That means 1 by 8. Because 5 8s are 40. Cos a value is 1 by 8. One value you have got. You see, without knowing ABC values, but in terms of k you know. In terms of k you know, you have found the cos a value. Okay? Cos a if you find automatically, sin a so you can find sin a. If you find a by sin a 2r or something like, we can find. That is not required, but what they asked, that only we will do. Okay? That saves our time. We don't require to find the k value and each finding individual values. Okay? See, again I am finding cos b. Cos b means what? C square plus a square minus b square by 2ca. Okay? This time I am not writing k square. Why? Because we know k square are going to get cancelled anyway. I am reducing the step. Okay? See, c square means 4 square 16 plus a square means 36 minus b square means 25. K square why I have not written? I have taken common and cancelled like you think. 2ca. 2 into ca. 4 into 6, 24. Okay? That is equal to, see, 40 to 52 minus 25 by 48. Or 2 into 24 only I will have, because I will get cancellation easily. 25 means you see 25 plus 25, 50. 27 will come. 27 by 24 into 2. You see 3 9s, 3 8s. That's all. 9 by 16. 3 9s, 3 8s. It will be like that only. It will not go further. Further reduction will not be there. Let us go for cos c. cos c is equal to, we know, a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Okay. Okay. What is a square? I am not writing k. Why? Because we know anyway it is going to get cancelled out. 36 b square 25 minus c square 16 divided by 2 into ab, 6 into 5 30, that is equal to c 36 plus 5 41 61 minus 16 by 2 into 30. Okay, 61 minus 16, 11 minus 6 5 minus 1 4 by 2 into 30. See, 15 3s 15 2s, that's all, 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. Now go back. What they asked you, cos A plus cos B by cos C, right now. Cos A plus cos B by cos C is equal to, see, 1 by 8 plus, or shall I write 2 by 16? 2 by 16 plus 9 by 16. Why I have written? Why? Because I can take to LCM like 16. Okay. Then go for 3 by 4. That is equal to, see, 11 by 16 into 4 by 3. 3 by 4 means 4 by 3. You see, 4 ones, 4 fours. And 11 by 12 will be your answer. Okay. Even though it has taken some time, but this is a good question. Let us go for next question. Okay, see, question number 27. This is asked in answer 2002. The perimeter of a triangle is 16 centimeter. Shall I write steps one by one? Perimeter means what? You can write a plus b plus c is equal to 16. Or else, yes, shall I write 8? Why? Because a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to yes. Okay. One of the sides is of the length 6 centimeter. That means let a is equal to 6. That means b plus c will be how much? 16 minus 6, 10. This how it has come? Why? Because a plus b plus c is 16 means a 6 means b plus c is equal to 16 minus 6, 10. Okay, b plus c. And also one more data they have given. The area of the triangle is 12 centimeter square. That means you shall write delta is equal to 12. Okay, delta is equal to 12. Okay, now you see, area told they have given means delta square will be what? 144. Okay, delta square will be 144, squaring on both sides. See, that delta square formula I am writing. Why? Because see, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is equal to delta square. Delta square means 144. Comma I am giving. Yes, you know 8. 8 into 8 minus 6. Why? Because the yes you know, a you know. A, okay? But b you don't know, but yes you know. 8 minus 3 into 8 minus c is equal to 144. Okay? This much we know. Okay, now you see 8 into 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 into 2, 16. 16 you send that side. You see, 8 minus b into 8 minus c is equal to 144 by 16. Okay? 2 into 8, 16. Okay, now you see, you expand this. See, 8 square means 64 minus 8c minus 8b plus bc is equal to 9. Okay? Now, see these two minus, you send that side. See how I am doing. 64 minus 9, 55. 55 is equal to 8 b plus c minus bc. Is it okay? See 8c if I go send that side plus 8c plus 8b. 8 I have taken common. 8b plus 8c. 9 if goes this side 55. BC also minus. Okay, but BC value you know here 10. Okay, that is advantage. Then proceed further then. Right, I will take. Okay, that means you see 55 is equal to 8 into 10. B plus C is 10 minus BC, or else BC is equal to 80 minus 55. BC is equal to 80 minus 55. 25? Okay. Now you tell me B plus C and BC both you are having. Can you find BC? Definitely I can find BC. Why? Because the quadratic equation if you apply, then you are going to get those two values. Okay. See, B plus C is 10 and BC is equal to 25. Okay. One thing I want to tell you here. See, we can eliminate some answers. Why? Because you see, B plus C is 10, but A is 6. See, logic I am telling. A is equal to 6 means B cannot be 6 and both. C cannot be 6. Why? Because see, 6 plus 6, 18. But here 16 is there. That means see, equilateral triangle is there. Now this option is closed. Why? Because equilateral means A equal to B equal to C should be there. If A is 6 means B also 6, C also should be there. But here there is no possibility of B and 6. B and C are going to come 6. Why? Because see, B plus C is 10 means it cannot be. And also B into C, 6 into 6, 36 should come, but it has not come both. That is why this option is closed. Now, right angle and isosceles are there. Let us write. Why? Because see, let us proceed further. Now, to find that, shall I take B is equal to 10 minus C? B is equal to 10 minus C. Okay, then write down. 10 minus C into C is equal to 25. Hence 10C minus C square is equal to 25. Okay. Else green I will take. You send that side. That means C square minus 10C plus 25 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now we can find C value. Why? Because C multiplication 25 should come, and if you add 10 should come. C minus 5 minus 5, 25 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. Okay. That means see, both B and C values are 5, 5. Okay. See, 5 into 5, 25, 5 plus 5, 10. Match it. That means see, one is 6, remaining 2 are 5, 5 means isosceles triangle. Why? The two angles are equal, two sides are equal. That is why isosceles triangle. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 28. ANSWER 2019 question. This is also good question. In any triangle ABC, sides ratio A is to B is to C is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Then what is the ratio between capital R is to small r, like they are asking. See, unless you know the formula for capital R, small r, then we are unable to do this question. Okay, this formula we know very well. Delta S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, but this should be under root. This we know. But another formula, okay, delta is equal to ABC by 4R. Okay, this is second formula. Why? Because if R you prepare means delta you are having, ABC you are having. ABC you are having means in terms of ratio it will come. K we will take that ratio. Okay. And what about small r? Delta by S, that's all. Okay. Yes, you can get A plus B plus C by 2. If you know these three formulas, then you can do this question. Let us proceed then. Okay. See, let me take A is to B is to C equal to, rather than 2, I will take 2K, 3K and 4K. Okay. Why? Because we should take in that manner only. Okay. Now we can take A, B, C as like this, and R we don't know. Delta we have to find first. If you know delta and A, B, C, then you can find R value. Okay, let us first find the delta. Delta is equal to, S also you have to find. Yes. First to find, let us find S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is equal to. See, I am taking 2K. 2K plus 3K plus 4K by 2, that is equal to. See 9k by 2. Okay, your S will be 9k by 2. Okay, now proceed then. Now proceed. Now proceed for this delta. Delta is equal to 9k by 2 into 9k by 2 minus A 2k into 9k by 2 minus 3k into 9k by 2 minus 4k. Okay, close and apply square root. That is equal to. See, this will be 9k by 2 like this only. But inside you see 9k minus 4k, 5k by 2 into 9k minus 6k, 3k by 2 into 9k minus 8k, k by 2. Okay, let it be. Now again you write delta is equal to, you see, k into k into k into k, k to the power of 4. If you take out k square. Okay, now see here no calculation is there. 9 into 5. See, denominator you can take out. 16, that means 4. K square by 4 you take out. And the numerator what will be there? 9 5s are 45 into 3 into 1. 45 into 3. 90 plus 45. 135. Root 135. Okay, see, this will be your delta. You box or you keep aside. Okay, k square by 4 into root of 135. This will be your delta. Okay, delta I have found. But what about 4r? 4r also you can find. R I will find. You see, R is equal to ABC by delta 4 delta. Okay, 4 delta. That is equal to ABC means how can I write? See, 2k into 3k into 4k. That means see 2 into 3 into 4k cube by 4 delta. 4 into delta means you see here only you are having k square into root of 135 divided by 4 means I will keep 4 here. Why? Because see this 4 you cancel out, and see k square completely cancel out, k will be there, and 24k by 135 root. You understand? K square completely gone, k will be there. 12 to 24k by root 135. What is this? This is R, capital R. Okay, not ordinary R, capital R. See, you require R and small r. You don't bother about this delta. Why? Because they are asking capital R divided by small r. That means small r you have to find. How you are going to find small r? Delta by S. Yes, you have got S also and delta also. Let us find small r. Small r is equal to delta by S. That is equal to, delta means you see k square into root 135 divided by 4 into S. S means 9k by 2. That means 9k I will write here, 2 I will write here. You see 2 ones, 2 twos, k completely go but k will be there here. Yes, divided by 18 will come. 18, 2 into 9, 18. That means you see k into root 135 by 18. This will be small r. This is also you box it. Now, so you get final that r by r ratio. Shall I take this black? I have to take. Okay. Now see r by r. R by r means capital R. 24k by root of 135 into small r. Small r means k into root of 135 18. Okay. See k you cancel out, and see here 24 into 18 by 135 root 135 root means 135 will be there. Okay. See 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. That means with 3 it will go. 9 twos. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are. Okay. See 3 fives, 3 eights. Shall I say 16 by 5? Answer. Okay? Okay. 16 by 5 will be, yes, correct answer. Okay, now we close this class. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you very much.